It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Roy's. Sump pump won't stop running? Let's take a look. First, check your float switch. This small device tells the pump when to turn on and off. If it's stuck, tangled, or positioned incorrectly, your pump may run non-stop. Next, consider your check valve. This valve prevents water from flowing back into the pit after the pump shuts off. If it's missing or faulty, water returns to the basin, the water level rises, and the pump kicks right back on over and over again. Clogs can be another culprit, whether it's a blocked discharge line, debris in the pit, or frozen outdoor piping. When water can't exit properly, the pump keeps trying anyway. Finally, your pump may just be undersized or reaching the end of its lifespan. Older pumps struggle to keep up and may run longer than they should. If your sump pump won't stop running, don't ignore it. Catching the issue early can save you from unexpected flooding and costly repairs. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact a licensed professional. We thought you'd like to know.